because of the curfew, the farmers who are coming from far, from as far as Murubei, Utho, right now they cannot come to the project.
As you can see, the weeding has been a challenge. I've been looking for laborers now 3 weeks since the corona started. They are coming in small numbers.
Now the production has lowered up to 25 to 18, depending on how the management is done.
We use the local laborers for scaring the birds. The corona outbreak, I've sent them packing. We are now facing serious losses because of the dangers of the birds.